This decorated cabinet has got wonderful coral roses on it, and like so many Chinese cabinets, it's decorated with mountains as well. The frame is a lacquer of blues and greens and sort of ocean colours, which is on the sides, and lots of wood grain going on there. And the actual cabinet frame has also the same colour lacquer. Along the bottom, underneath the cupboard, is a decorative skirt with some nice elegant carving, and then the door itself has got pinks and blues and greens being pulled out of it. The handle is an elegant brass tab, and inside is a chunky door fitted with a magnet to keep the door closed if you've got some uneven floors, and a removable shelf and a nice deep shelf underneath. This is one of our pieces that would lend itself very well to being put into a bathroom, perhaps with a sink fitted in the top, and would make a really striking and lovely, colourful and textural bathroom cabinet with a basin in the top. So if that's something that interests you, get in touch.